When your latest update goes live, Reddit explodes within hours. Some players love it, others hate it, and you're drowning in feedback faster than someone chimes in to declare the game was perfect before the update ruined everything. That's so true, that happens all the time. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to track player sentiment across Reddit's gaming communities, you're not alone. Right now, you're probably spending hours scrolling through endless comment threads, trying to figure out if players actually like your new features or if you're about to face a PR nightmare. Meanwhile, crucial feedback gets buried under memes and off-topic discussions, and you're missing the insights that could save your next release. Here's where TextCortex becomes your secret weapon. This tool transforms Reddit's chaotic comment sections into organized sentiment data that you can actually use. Instead of manually reading every single post about your game, TextCortex automatically analyzes thousands of Reddit discussions and presents the results in clear visual reports. You'll know exactly what players think about specific features, updates, or changes without losing your sanity in the process. Let me show you how this works by analyzing some player sentiment around Red Dead Redemption 2 and its online update. I know this update is older than my bounty for accidentally running over an NPC in St. Denis, but it'll do just fine for the sake of this video, okay? Our goal is to track reactions to the 3 hardcore Telegram missions that dropped back in 2022 in Red Dead Redemption 2's online game. First, you need to log into TextCortex. Once you're in, we'll set up a specialized agent for the specific analysis. In the left-hand panel, select Customizations, then Agent Profiles. In the upper right corner of the page, click Create New Agent. A dialog option opens up where you're able to pretty much set everything up. Let's give our agent a fun name. I'll call it Sheriff Sentiment Bill, since we're analyzing a Western game. In the description field, I'm gonna also make sure to write specialized agent for analyzing Red Dead Redemption 2's online player feedback. After that, we can go into the background text box of the Behavior tab. And what we'll do is we'll write, you are a gaming sentiment analyst who specializes in Red Dead Redemption 2 online community feedback. You analyze player reactions to game updates, features, and content releases to help marketing teams understand community sentiment. Perfect. Okay, so after that, let's move on to adding the rules. We'll start with 3 must always rules. For the first rule, let's type must always focus specifically on RDR2's online content and updates. For the second one, we can add must always categorize sentiment as a positive, negative, or neutral with clear reasoning. And last but not least, the third rule, we'll type must always highlight specific game features mentioned in player comments. Perfect. Now that we've done all of the must always do rules, we can add the must never rules. We'll add 3 of these as well. For the first must never rule, let's do this. Include off-topic Reddit discussions unrelated to RDR2 online. Moving on to the second one, we're gonna add must never make assumptions about player sentiment without supporting evidence. And last but not least, our final rule, it'll be must never ignore constructive criticism or suggestions from players. After that, we can switch to the Tools tab. Under Default Model, let's select Claude 4.0, and this gives you the most accurate analysis. Make sure you don't add any knowledge base for this project. Now, under the capability section, what you can do is you can turn the toggle on for data analysis. This lets our agent crunch through large amounts of Reddit data effectively. Now expand the source search option and turn the toggle on for Reddit. This is fantastic because it gives TextCortex direct access to Reddit discussions. In the dialog's bottom right corner, you can click Save Changes to create your agent. Now we're ready to analyze. In the left navigation panel, select New Chat in the prompt box. Then after that, you can select our Sheriff Sentiment Bill, agent that we just created. Here's where it gets pretty crazy. Let's type this prompt. Research the r/Red Dead Online thread on Reddit to find all user comments related to 3 hardcore Telegram missions, Sow and Reap, Strong Medicine, and In Bad Faith. Once you have the entire list of comments, analyze the user sentiment regarding this update and present the data in a pie chart based on the collected comments. TextCortex rides into town like a bounty hunter at high noon, scanning through hundreds of Reddit comments about these missions. Instead of wasting hours in the trenches of Reddit, it does the heavy lifting and no one even gets hog-tired. Within minutes, you get a comprehensive analysis. The results show up as a clear pie chart breaking down positive, negative, and neutral sentiment. But here's the incredible part. TextCortex doesn't just give you numbers. It explains why players feel certain ways. highlighting specific concerns about mission difficulty, rewards, or gameplay mechanics. You can get actionable data you can use immediately. This approach saves you countless hours of manual research while giving you incredibly detailed insights. Unlike basic sentiment tools, TextCortex understands gaming context and player language. It catches sarcasm, identifies specific feature mentions, and separates genuine feedback from trolling. You get real-time sentiment tracking that helps you respond to community concerns before they become major issues. Plus, the visual reports make it easy to share insights with your team and stakeholders. Are you ready to transform how you track player sentiment? Try TextCortex today and turn Reddit's chaos into clear, actionable insights that improve your games and keep players happy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.